blizzard of 2026 all upon us. Already we got 2 feet of snow on the ground. Practically that much. I mean, the most since the Great Blizzard of 1978, more than 48 years ago. See, the visibility is way down. Yeah. Yeah, there was lighting with the snow about 4 or 5 hours ago. I don't care for that, boy. Yeah. Close the window. The snow is heavy and wet, but hopefully the temperatures drop, and then the snow will be fluffy and easier to shovel, and also less likelihood of power outages. It's the heavy wet snow is a royal pain in the ass, not the fluffy dry snow. Okay, gonna close it now. Alright. Nobody's been on the road since I heard a plow last night. Yeah. I saw the radar, and bands of heavy snow was trapped right over us. It could be like that for another hour, so I wouldn't be surprised when you got over 25, 30 inches. I tried shoveling the snow about 15, 20 minutes ago. Actually, it was pretty easy to shovel. That is right outside the front door. What we want is the temperatures getting below freezing, so the snow will be fluffy instead of that hard-ass garbage, you know. Yeah, I know, I hate that pastry snow. Boy, if we had 30 inches of snow and it's all fluffy and there's no thunder snow, I got it made. I mean, I don't mind shoveling. I'm doing a lot of that since December 14th. Well over 2 months ago. Of course, tomorrow's date in 1985, on my way down to Ixtapa, Mexico. It was warm. I don't mean there, I mean in the Northeast. Temperatures set new record highs for the month of February, 1985. Well, you won't see that anytime soon. All right.